So I have a requested video on how to schedule multiple showing appointments. That way you can see how far away things are and how you want to be able to track everything and be able to put them in order. Now I'm going to use our own listings on this just for example's sake. The easiest thing to do is you're going to want to locate those MLS numbers of the houses you're going to show. You can use the address, but the MLS number I find is going to be the easiest. So I'm going to go to that listing. You can also do this in showing time. There's also an option to do it here under a showing cart, but it'll take you to the same location. So I'm just going to go through RealComp. So from RealComp, you'll click on that little showing icon. And for this, it's going to be under Jason. Now this is where it's just different. I'm going to do a showing cart as opposed to a single showing. So with this single showing, I'm going to go ahead and I'll say there today. You don't have to provide a buyer's name. You can put John Smith, you can put whoever the client is. For this one, I'm just going to go ahead and put our listings. So this is exactly where we wanted the MLS numbers. So from here, I have mine written down already, so I'm going to go ahead and type the remainder in. You can use them a comma, or you can go ahead and add them one at a time. Okay, so this is where it's great to be able to do this because you can see where they are on the map without picking a time first. So I'll be able to drag and drop that I want 1 and 2 or where they are, and then I can switch over those. You can change the numbers here or you can drag and drop. So that's how I'm going to go ahead and set it up that way. So this has me ending in, click update because my bottom hasn't syndicated with my top yet. So I have actually number 2 and number 1 over here, then going up to number 3 and then number 4. Well, say I actually am going to go to the mall after this, after I finish all these showings, or I live up in Novi, I can go ahead and change those and update. So I'll go here first, then back down. Or if you're coming to the office, you can have these 2 as last. That way you're able to end near the office if for whatever reason maybe you have to write an offer. So once you have the right order, you can go ahead and pick your time. So you'll still set everything up just like normal. Say 1:45 to 2:45, save. Then from there, you can see how long it's going to take me to get to that second option. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and budget half an hour drive time, just like you would on any other showings. So from there, it's probably going to take 15, probably say, let's see, 2:45, just to be safe. I do know all these properties are go and show, so. Save. You can see if they are go and show or an appointment required. So this is what we will do. Say, you know what, this client called you while you were in the middle of processing all of this, and you know what, they actually don't want to see this one anymore. You can go ahead and click remove. Are you sure? Then you can go ahead and adjust your time back. Won't actually need to start at 1:45. We'll be able to start a little later. You can adjust your time so you can do everything in here. If you need to add any more, you just type more information. So from here, now that I have this in the order I want to show, I'm going to start in Dearborn and end in Plymouth. I can go ahead and hit send requests. And if it's already confirmed, it'll show here. You'll also get your email notifications and everything else like normal. If you are logged into your showings, you can go in your Showing Time app, the app or the computer, you can go to your showing cart, and it'll show you what days you've showing carts scheduled. From there you can click on it, and it'll load your tour with all the instructions. Your instructions will also show up in your confirmations, just like any other listing. But that's how you set up multiple listing appointments at once.